Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to block text messages on Android phone. First of all, go for your messaging app, then choose that number. If I choose this randomly, then go for here in this three dot option. Now you can see so many options here. At the bottom you can see block and report spam. Then if you tap on it, then you can see this kind of page and you have to just tap on OK. Now you can see this number is blocked. So this is how you can block text messages on Android. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.